You guys ever have a problem with coons? Guys, I got a problem with coons. I got coons up the wazoo here, and I got to do something about it. Never had this problem before. This is just recently in the last couple of years. And guys, I've got coons all over the place. I'm going to show you today how to keep coons off your fence. Guys, I tell you what, last night I let my dog out around maybe 10 o'clock at night, and I've got a Weimaraner, and them dogs are completely fearless. They're not afraid of anything at all. This coon ran down the back of the yard over the fence, and well, it's more than once my dog just chewed the ass end right out of that coon. So 10 minutes later, I go out there with my flashlight, and there's another one on the fence. And I thought, okay, so I got to do something about this. Like, I've got this long fence on the back. It's wooden and it's got lattice on it. So I'm going to show you something here. This is a humane way of getting rid of coons off your fence. And they will not walk along your fence anymore. They won't even go on your property. So this is a really good thing that I've been doing for years. First time I'm doing it here. If you take a look at my camp up north, I don't know if you'll notice or not, there's a couple of times I show pictures of my roof. And I'm going to need a new roof on there too in the next couple of years at the latest. But I run a wire along the top of my roof. And it keeps crows and God knows what off my roof. Because they would perch up there and just squawk first thing in the morning. Or like they're worse than seagulls. You know, for crapping all over your roof. It's just unbelievable. So I run this wire. And this is stainless steel wire. It's very thin. I don't recommend mechanics wire and all that kind of stuff that's going to rust. You got to use stainless steel wire. And you can get that anywhere. And I use a spring. And all I do is I'll just show you one. I have two of these. And this was just an L bracket that I bent down, and then I get a piece of the wire and I join it from here to here, so that when I pull on the stainless steel wire for the tension, it's not going to just pull this down. So that's the idea behind that. I'm going to get this all set up, and then I'm going to show you how this works so good at keeping coons off your fence. Okay, so there we are there. It's as easy as that. I hope you can see that. That is a fine wire. And the only thing that I did different was you have to put a couple of tie-offs here to keep it so it's not going back and forth, so it stays centered on the top of your fence there. And I got one more down here, a little bit of a standoff right there. And that's just using a washer and a screw and just tying it on there. Now there's quite a bit of tension on there, and I'll show you why. We get to the end here, and that's the idea of the spring right there. Now, because I got the wire here and here, it's not bending this bracket over, and I don't have an immense amount of tension on there, but you can hear that. Yeah, there's a lot of tension on there. You know, just enough, you know, to keep them off. Well, there you go. How you like that tip? And it's just this wire. Guys, you can hardly even see that wire. It's so thin. And I'll tell you what, we've never had a problem with coons in our area like this before. And this is a good humane way of keeping them off your fence, because a coon has very delicate feet and they don't like that wire. Same as a bird. A bird will not go on there. And of course, a squirrel or anything else. So if you do have problems in your area with lots of coons, this is a really good, safe alternative. You're not going to hurt the raccoon. You're not going to hurt the squirrels or the any other animal. And you're doing your dog a big help. Because I tell you what, in my life, I've seen one and more of a coon fight between a dog and a coon. And I tell you what, if it's a full-size coon, your dog's never going to win that fight. Never going to win that in a million years. So you're actually protecting your own dog too. And my dog, like I said in the beginning, is completely fearless. And it has actually no instincts, you know, to realize that a raccoon is going to eat him rather than the other way around. So thanks for joining me here today, and I hope you like this tip. Do you guys have lots of coons in your area too? I guess I'm just getting a bumper crop of coons up here. I don't know what it is, but that's a good, safe alternative to keeping coons off your fence. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers.